Hey guys, welcome back to the summer cooler series. So what I have here today is a summer cooler, a drink which is going to rehydrate you, keep you fresh and also healthy, because we are using farm honey in the drink instead of sugar to make our drinks healthier and sweeter. So today I am making a cucumber cooler slushy using just 4 ingredients: cucumber, lemon, honey and mint. That's it. And for this recipe I am using Farm Honey's Spearmint honey, which is minty flavored. So let's give it a try. So first I'm using one medium-sized green cucumber. I'm going to peel it. Next what I'm doing is cutting it in half so that the middle fleshy portion is revealed. What I'm going to do now is taking a spoon, I'm going to scoop out all the flesh. Next I have a juicer jar. I'm going to add in these chopped cucumbers in there. I'll take one lime and cut it into half. Squeeze in the juice of one lime. I'm going to add in a few leaves of fresh mint. These are washed. Now for the sweetness, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of Farm Honey Spearmint, and then add in half a glass worth of ice. This recipe calls for more ice because it's a slushy and not a drink. Now all we got to do is close the lid and blitz. And that's it. There we have our cucumber cooler slushy. I'll just pour it in my glass. So there you have it, friends, my summer cooler cucumber slushy. And if you like the recipe, share it with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.